quickly remind you to make some t-shirts using these signs here. I cannot stress this enough, guys. It's really an easy way to make t-shirts that are gonna sell. We know they're gonna sell because people are passionate about it, women are passionate about it, and there's definitely gonna be another March, so take advantage of this and make your designs. And look at this one is so beautiful. It says my uterus, my choice, with the uterus there in the middle. My eyes just caught it. Anyway, guys, so like I was saying, this is a really awesome opportunity for us sellers to start creating our designs as soon as possible before the next March. So guys, hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. As usual, in today's video we're going to continue with the top 5 print-on-demand niche research of the week, episode 40. So without further ado, let's get ready to it. So like I was saying in the beginning of the video, Howdy is a kind of cowboy niche. Yeah, those who are interested in cowboys, horses, things like that. Yeah, I really don't know why this is trending. Let's find out. So it says step out with this shirt with your cowboy hats, boots during riding your horses with friends and family. So you guys always know that when a shirt is trending and hasn't had the time to have reviews, has many sales and hasn't had the time to have reviews, that means it's trending right now. So let's take a look at the BSR. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. I really don't know why this is trending. If anyone knows why this is trending, let us know in the comment section below. As you can tell, look at the BSR, it just flew down here and it's approaching 1, quickly approaching 1. So, and it's a word-based design, so it's very easy to make. And it's priced $14.95 for over 101 sales. Keywords you can use: Western, rodeo, cowgirl, country, southern, vintage, howdy, and things like that. So long tail keywords, short tail keywords. All right, moving on to next niche number 2 is this ice costume. So it's a funny family Halloween costume, Ice and Baby. Oh, when I saw this Ice, I was thinking about like immigration services. That's what came to my mind when I saw this Ice. But the description says this Ice bag t-shirt is part of a clever family costume. You and your partner wear each wears this shirt together. Your Ice, and one of you holds your baby. Oh, Ice baby. Oh, I get it now. You guys know, if you remember this commercial, it has this song Ice baby. So if one person wears the Ice shirt, another person, that's your partner, wears the Ice shirt, then you hold a baby, so it's Ice baby. So it's kind of funny, but just looking at it like Ice, the first thing that came to my mind was immigration services, you know. So let's take a look at this. Overall trend is up, current trend is up. So this shirt can be used for many purposes. It's not just Halloween. It can be used as a gift. So it's it's a real all-round t-shirt, and it's funny for that matter. So many people are buying it. As you can tell, overall trend is up, current trend is up. Look at this, bears are up and down. It's priced $16.99, over 134 reviews, 99 sales. All right, that was it for niche number 2. Niche number 3, Peter and with the pumpkin. I also don't know why this is trending, guys. So if you have any idea why these niches are trending, let us know in the comment section below. But I will definitely go and do some additional research after this to know why this is trending. If I know why it's trending, I'll know how to better attack the niche and how to change it to suit my audience. So it says Peter pumpkin eater, and with the pumpkin. Peter pumpkin eater, it sounds like it's from a children's book or something, Halloween children's book, if I'm not mistaken. It's what a witch will say, if I'm not mistaken, guys. I'm just guessing. And it says great for Halloween costume. And that's what it says, and with the pumpkin. Anyway, great for Halloween costume for couples, funny Halloween costume for men. Okay, this Peter pumpkin eater costume is quick, easy matching Halloween costume for married couples. I really don't know why this is like for married couples. Because I was thinking maybe it has to do with the witch and Peter, but anyway, that's what the description says. And it's also doing well, as you can tell. Overall trend is up, current trend is up, and over 200 reviews, price $16.90. That was it for niche number 3. Let's quickly move over to niche number 4, my body, my choice. Of course, guys, you guys know that there was also a march, a women's march concerning this abortion, anti-abortion stuff that has been legalized in Texas. So there was a march yesterday. Let's just take a look at it. Okay, so one day ago, like I was saying, it was yesterday, and abortion is a woman's right. As you can tell, abortion saves lives. So like I always say, these signs are a very good place to get niches, because this is what is passionate to each woman or everyone holding the signs. So take for example, this one says our body, our choice, our rights. And let's come back to this niche. I'm sure that this is what this person is doing, to be sincere, guys. It says my body, my choice, have a nice day. And this one says our bodies, our choice. So you see, you can also make a t-shirt that says our bodies, our choice, our bodies, our choice, our bodies, our choice, just like this person is saying my body, my choice, my body, my choice. So it's really a very good place to get niches, but you have to be careful with which niche you're picking, because something that has a notice like this, a sign that says abortion, you know that Amazon is not going to take it, right? Because it has to do with lives, killing of lives, or killings in general. So you have to be careful the words that you're using. You have to use plain words like my body, my choice. Don't use something like this that has to do with legal. A word that says abortion, legal. You have to be careful with what you're targeting. Reproductive rights. Let's do a scroll down. Protect girls and women. Protect safe legal abortion. I had a safe legal abortion, thanks. Bans off my body. You see, this is another nice one. Short words that you can easily recreate and expand it, making it very large that every customer can see. So there you go. We will not go back, guys. This niche right here, I was also wondering once some time ago, I was wondering where this niche came from. We will not go back. Let me just show you guys an example of this. We will not go back t-shirt. We will not go back. Search. There you go, guys. I said it. This is where this niche came from. We won't go back, and see how it is selling, guys. So you see what I'm saying, that these niches are doing quite well. Like these signs that women are holding up, it's what is passionate to them, and it's what they'll definitely buy if it's on a t-shirt or if it's on any other clothing. And just what I was saying, it says we will not go back, and this sign here says on a t-shirt, say we won't go back. So you see, it did not directly say we will not go back. It was a kind of contracted form. It says we won't go back, but it's a similar thing with the hanger. It's the same thing, guys. Look at this. You see? So a march, whenever a march happens, just take a look at the signs. The signs is a great place to get niches to target, guys. So I can't stress this anymore. I'm just gonna leave it at this. And definitely this is not over. This march, they did the first one, I think 2 weeks ago. This is the second one. Definitely this march won't be over till abortion is legal again, or I don't know how it's going to turn out, because it's a quite sensitive topic. But there's definitely going to be more marches, and if you can get your t-shirts up before the next march, you're definitely going to make more sales. So with that being said, let's move over to the next niche. Next niche is adulting. Actually, this one It's a bonus shirt that I wanted to talk about, but now that I just put it, I'm just gonna quickly talk about it. So it says adulting, please wait. I saw another shirt that said adulting loading. This one says adulting, please wait. So it's a kind of funny shirt. And not only can you change the please wait to loading, you can also change the adulting to other hobbies. For example, you can say gardening loading. You can say school loading, winter loading, summer loading. So it's really up to you. The niche is endless, guys. So this niche in particular, I've seen it in many different versions, and it's a really great niche to focus. And this one says adulting loading. That means it's someone's 18th birthday, you know. And you can also say alcohol loading, maybe for the 21st birthday. I'm not really sure, guys. So that just quickly popped into my head, you know, maybe someone wants to buy that for their 21st birthday, you know. So apart from the Halloween niches, Historic Heritage Month, and Breast Cancer Awareness Month, yes, those, apart from them, those niches are still trending. Apart from them, I just wanted to quickly show you this one. It's also a Halloween niche, and it says books. So instead of boo, like BOO, it says books for those who are book readers or book lovers. It says it's for teachers, bookworms, and all the like. So this one is also trending. 1999, 97 sales, 8 reviews. And let's take a look at the BSR. Our trend is up. Look at that. It's a purchase one. And last niche of the day is this Oktoberfest. So when is Oktoberfest, guys? Let me quickly search for that. Oh, wow. Oktoberfest is cancelled. 2021. Oh, no. Anyway, the 2021 celebration is cancelled. It was supposed to be 17 September. Wait, hold on. Next date is Saturday, September 2022 to Monday, October the 3rd, 2022. So the 2021 Oktoberfest celebration was cancelled, but it really doesn't stop people from celebrating in their homes, guys. As you can take a look at this, this one is also selling Oktoberfest, and overall trend is up. Price at $18.99, over 99 sales, 20 reviews. So it doesn't really stop people from celebrating in their homes. If I were the one, I would have placed this shirt in a German market, because it's mainly a German celebration. It's held annually in Munich, Bavaria, Germany. So it's if I were the one, I would have placed this t-shirt in the German market. But anyway, it's also selling in the US market. And so guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand KDP, this is a channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.